Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Pagani of Greenwich and we're looking at a Pagani Huayra Tempesta. The Tempesta is a package that was available starting in 2016 for the Huayra. You got a bunch of upgrades with it, more airflow, more downforce, front splitter, you can see there at the front, a rear diffuser, different wheels, 20-inch in the front, 21 in the rear. You got a revised suspension with 4-way adjustable shocks. This one has the exposed carbon fiber on the exterior, and it has a rojo red interior. Beautiful. I think it's an incredible combination. Just a work of art. A work of art. You have the 6-liter V12, the Mercedes V12, making 730 horsepower at under 3,000 pounds. Look at the details. I love this car. This is so amazing. I'd be terrified to drive it. And it's worth more money than I have, obviously, or may even ever have. But man, it is a cool car. You see Horatio Pagani's signature there. You can see the wheels with the carbon ceramics, 21s in the rear. This also has a titanium exhaust system that saves about 3 kilograms of weight and has a bit of a different sound. You get the uniqueness that comes with titanium exhaust. There we go. You can see the burnt titanium there. There's the rear diffuser. Oh, what a cool car, huh? The quad exhaust. I think this is one of the better angles of the car from the back. Would you get exposed carbon fiber on your Pagani? Do you think the Tempesta package is worth it? And I gotta say, shout out to Miller Motor Cars. One of the greatest car dealerships ever. They are so friendly. They always are there to help you. They welcome the enthusiasts. They let you check these cars out. You don't have to have an appointment as of yet. And, you know, a lot of exotic car dealers, you have to have an appointment. Manhattan Motor Cars, for example, and their Lamborghini section, Lamborghini, Bentley, Rolls-Royce, you have to have an appointment. And that's because, and you can't blame them, but kids have just ruined it by coming in and leaning against the cars, causing trouble, and, you know, a bunch of doing stuff they shouldn't be doing. But what a showroom this is. Here's a model Pagani right here. I don't know much about this, but it's probably expensive too. And some books, some Pagani books. We've got another model here, some champagne, I believe. I need to get back up here. This is actually roughly a year ago that the Tempesta was there. This vehicle has been sold. They've had some Zondas recently in the last 6 months, and I've missed them, unfortunately. There's a plaque for the Roadster that was in for a bit. If you want to check that out, go ahead and read that. Pagani clothing. Beautiful showroom. Doesn't get much cooler. And look at that. Great lighting in here. Their cars always look amazing. They always have something unique. If they don't have a Huayra or a Zonda. I even saw a Shelby Cobra replica in here. I saw a Carrera GT in here. They've had tons of different cool cars in this place. But anyway, that's about it for today. Pagani Huayra Tempesta. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.